feel beggar single mother. The certificate well at the the pressure we now well at the I am not lay to that for me. Who years was war 15 years in work, baby journey. I remember no year always be on media is sorting single mother who they fear value your that from way. Well, be bamoko, but always who work beba. What get your body your that for what? Yage verania. Undu unyima zenia dona. Also lobana gu unwere Benjamin na to be Benjamin. E vera can get a 20% or giga mogeno ya riba. Why you have no way no magban go feel we a right to one is not your right. Oh dala samiro o video mami o viroma. The fact say you are privileged to marry a responsible boy. And according to the edos, omanoji onogbegbe aga, oje na no ma dey responsible. But we take a na virgin making weji. I am a virgin because I marry ever. That's so their mama mentality be. We should let them be, not be saying a bad thing. Now their mentality, if they bring their picky, could be like virgin. Me una go accept Benede na. What did make a Benede not marry a wife? Because of where a Benede wife, he don't fair do olososho. Anywhere. Even a Benede mama support a Benede make him marry a wife. A Benede mama they fight a Benede because of your wife where they Finland. But a Benede is looking at it way when the time when you come, he fall in love with his wife. As times goes on, they chill with big boys, they mingle with boys. They make and they know say now a boy I marry una don't see where men they talk. Now a boy I marry or now graduate I marry all those kind of things. And maybe your wife now best way be say he can't pay madam. Even that time during our time, make I even use myself to make another example. Una no say we will follow up. Do your family member bring you come. Boys they respect us then. Pass who follow road. If I let me go take my life. Because you will follow up come. Then they look say you understand because I don't follow road. I don't know. They'll say here waiting here do tema. Here we are from you work be. Abarabu mu understand. Arabu muya gwegwene. Again, a out cake maki. A bossy arulele where I know about now go of a before you can understand the way in your way woman now, a family member muere. Who jena mani ije mula webo. Then during me, our time, ije imagine mani jime mula webo. Auto wo dukun lala webo. A gas in ilotola when you respecting ya. Now later you understand you can't get the voltage and everything. Now so it be. Now so it be. Me you can't say what it. But it was the mentality then. What did they talk? They talk about mentality of 2015 when I born my daughter, and mentality of 2026 is not the same. Niche clash. No ne ugwale. Live a day they grieve for two reasons. Your only son they against them. You they join your only son they fight them, and you be a solo show. Do we maonia unima gbowe mi anaun auga la diame iga iselelu egbina ze iga iselelu egbina e live men imagine iye ko yawe ya agbina so not come for me because uma mi won not temata mawe mene ku I temata mawe all the suwe gbeba ma ya biele all si megbeba wana na mi wani buma laki no bi wa ya won obi egon maybe do ya movie Tanzania o ma ugwe okpomokwo pa nugwe home nugwe bie wa no do mara ebu begi asene thank you family ogbon ugwe na egi asene wa no we mara okpomokwo no mara ebu e agbon na e logo ma ya agbon na ya logo do wa man wa most parents will born only one daughter only one son. Now so that they take their picking. In here, one money ramoto. That is how it is. Me not be me no kuna. I never felt talk one story that time. O we me o de no large school in a fear with ye because inside the secondary school or we made a primary school inside the secondary school all lagbera. Ido be vie bo. In ya tune. In ya pie gbe ya gwegwe have passage ni. A trauma ni ina yari o me we ya ala de supo o me we e so fight we o that time gbe na we how we ma kan gbe ina we because e kenu we lana a long journey no o we long journey yen kala na we me a long journey no I convinced my daughter no ya ala bupo e kenave school buses la for children where they come from afar. Do you know the trauma of a mother Uwatewe e abi bia I was siga wan yon they don't care man ihu emi no really man na especially when you know they follow your pikin going and coming. Our brain is not easy for us. Our brain they full with a day traumatized. Ina do come visit with me. Una do well. Thank you, family. Ina do come visit with me. La wo with me. Hey, lemana. Oh, be ake school dey no. De kenula owa bukbo yen la. Iwe we malake. Ona we a. O ma tank be very yo. Yen take water ina wo ma tank be me. No man I dey used to ne no no. Just because he beg if ye bo. E dey gbe. Una know say for Europe here. Early Monday for winter, they know the quick break. And then a 7 o'clock, a man one. Either beg if you be via 2 set or a set of vano. In your 2020, in your pink, being a gweg the corridor. School where be say only your picking I be black. May you use your tongue, cut your teeth. You go they see nightmare where not they pursue you. I was so traumatized. In that do convince of me no ya Loadooh just because of Emini me better on it. Zevije egbagbo ma were gbe okime e no easy all a decent thing ni ye ke vive hino as far we esolo shosho hin u ka gbigbi agiane o see e dede is open we no vi yen riye we boni no be say I dey bully you but you got here saga agwa gbina gbelegbu a e dede is expecting the only one and only son behold to whom I'm well pleased or expect whether on mebo nyene de day on mebo you don't feel use your tongue cut your teeth Africa jama because put yourself for the day should use your tongue everybody wanna dey here me una use una tongue take out una teeth emi na I will never de maro Igbo he not born for Igbo because he leave children back home he can't struggle bring his pikin children come abroad where if yakada ubi ayere no mo ya gbije awe Edede was expecting for the only son to give to marry Ibo, either marry Ebo or Monijeve Mure or maybe a nurse or Umaje Skuna. Can you read that right? Na ve leva soin. Nu yari Germany via a certificate well ada. Ni ma beg nu we unegbuwe. Emina unwa eke una no si vera. Wa ma beg vera nia, siswe vera take on Germany. They give am paper. Ikade father-in-law, Pastor Ituna, been a Peter Ituna, Oga Gbero da phone beg. Oga mo bogbe the man just because of where the man over here cool. For you to make sure you make peace between two of them, papa and son, may you settle them. If you not let you settle, you step aside. I remember that day Benjamin tell Enoge say make Yanga come that he go beg papa. He did 1 week as they are picking that gate. Vera don't go give Benjamin 150 euro. Now Benjamin start to the beat papa again. Una forget say, una remember that day when no give Benjamin money. If Benjamin saying go apologize to papa. A very why 150 buy or even 150 get multi 150 or maybe a video. Maybe a 300 euro. He might never ye both time because he might don't go wash him or go beg. Unuwana walk with you go no be. I'm your way. So I'll see a neck do ya talk over. So as in wale a very wabe iya se kinder getting enya. Wago wabe agbeya wale 300 again. A Benjamin. Wama be Benjamin or even tell bonoda. No, I don't know what I know sabi the real chemistry. Why go read them as I did so I swear to God. I will say I go aya institution me na detective now for be. I for studied detective. I get natural detective. If I look person body language, I don't know what that person is capable of doing. A very young picking that gate. Why way now you deported Benjamin? A month in Nania, in your picking that gate. Do not do well. Thank you for lighting up my gallery. God bless you now. As the young pay Vera, in your way the kindergarten, in the why 300 euro give Benjamin. Why una not a bit they use how they calculate me. I they use my tongue and my eyes say they calculate. Well, watch a Benjamin be again none of that by a platform a no gere or maka abo feel begbera it can't bless say it can't calm down it can't cease fire. Never why I the get that get it gear. Me una go check from on the 15 come. No go beg a Benjamin era even there better bona. But you not can tell una say there is something we not something they we not balance. Something is wrong somewhere. One who might tamugwe me soro no magba. Me as I be look people from afar. Oga oge meta when he am so marriage, so marriage. Mona go bring so marriage, more call of us put hand. If a waiter they talk in a lie. A very yet in Benjamin. Do you know the power of money or money and deportee? But that is not enough for you. A life in now, you when a Benjamin, leave your papa, leave your father alone. Because God will, if you do and make they deport you miserably. Document where they give you, where you use 10 years, stay acquire. You foolishly, because of a papa, you not tell your papa, say you they go Nigeria. Do you know, say that your papa, where you neglect? I will say you tell your papa for tell you say, my pikin, that document, you never build them more, not go Nigeria. The Ibesa Vera, you know that Vera don't want me you come up for in life. You know that Benjamin Vera want me you come up for in life. At least if you dey flirt for Nigeria, it better pass you dey flirt for Europe, you can't give you my belly. As you want to tell general public, say, my man. Use your tongue to count your teeth before social media go use them for you. Use your head before social media go use them for you. Now be the, our generation where we dey. Maybe Vera purposely let you go for fire because he knows say you not get used for Europe. No Vera ya muduke or do husband not be husband, she not dey sleep. He go ya let you say may you go. Vera already saw your deportation before you saw it. Now make her let you go. Because too often I not feel mumu at the same time. Vera not fit tell you say my man, no go Nigeria. You never build this paper where they give you. The condition of that document said you have to work, you have to do some certain things, and you never acquire them. You they foolishly they go Nigeria. But your father where you they abuse, no matter what, because when Okbaika talk to Benjamin papa, Okbaika say if papa say, na my son, me una not the cause again. A father was telling a presenter say, "Mona not the cause my pikin, na my pikin. Na my pikin, anything we like make it do me na my pikin." You think say maybe I will Benjamin tell papa, una hear way the idiot they talk for Apple say, he not tell papa say they go Nigeria. Now when something in condition Nigeria, something come up, now he can't take call papa. A fool, I know he say he never reach 40 years. Oh ye bogo. Unwa ye lagba. Enwa baro e viral. I will say you Benjamin, you tell your papa, say you they go Nigeria. Your papa will foretell you say my pikin no go. On a document in it, yo, no use them. Fair wait first. You foolishly go because of why? You want to impress your papa say they send a road where passport so that they pass. Now you pass. Who is suffering it now? A very percentage of child benefit way. A doc normally any children or say you Africa Jama Force at Biko. Africa Jama Force at Biko. See the day Mona, I will say this woman not get good health. She not they take care of herself. If na pest way get a tissue, you na for don't use bully take by this woman with BP. Ukbomokba. AKVJ na ukbomokba no kona because it's the only son he have. And they may back back coming. Allo bite Lize, micro a bite. Because now only 2 children they get. So you collect one for inside. If na you, they go do you. How na one make they feel? Wa gwe mi dani gbe. Ne no ge wa ya ki we ama piano. Ave ije no mwem e more. Iya mana gba ore mo. Ona mwebo. Ona bully elete ye Sharon. Ona bully ye Sharon yere. Ona depress okororaki ye. Ona mwebogbo. O man of ye egu just barely 1 year. E no ge saga let Sharon mama. Now I make many of una so stupid. If una see similar case, una they support this licky nose. Onana ni we gien, iwore gien ogingbe. To this truth not they have to talk. Now one talk. Now they fear to talk. I ume igbe agwaena. Mona let it they be. Mona let them be. You tell Bonnie Jordan for when you see where the gear. You that for what's on Mona J school in when I'm at winner who yes was war. All my you know they talk one am more here we have a career you way. Solo Shosho is still an solo Shosho who were ye na convinced. The dem right no after when ura boy of ye kunre. Even Nigeria self where poverty go day. Ura they see mother-in-law, you go pour water for a daughter-in-law. I'll get a word you walk yo. Or again, you wekon la woje, iwe move, oh ya imia. Go see what mother-in-law they do their daughter-in-law. Their daughter-in-law go see they kneel down, they beg. Because if they love the boy, they want to do everything we go please him, mama. e o sakan en gwa ne we bona ugwa di yoda from where they wa agbe ba da o bo we vera na we erie likiliki nozi we ona we de ba we enwe gwe we also we gbe because ijo mo we kin iwu ave di okwore ba maybe ya me ovie Cotonou ovie Morocco you have a right to say me you must support it. I don't know why you dey bully a dede. Well, stop it already. What get you bugbe? It's just that fungwa. Even the men self not even carry the matter. One daughter-in-law and sons-in behind me again. One daughter-in-law mubowe. How many men you see say their wife, now their mama bring their wife come, they fight their mother-in-law online. Me berave ne na miegwe gwanikwo oh bianishi amuri. You guys are very stupid. You guys must be very stupid. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, mommy. Because if una look at, una don't see man where they bully in mother-in-law, where bring in wife come abroad, as in women when their mama bring they come abroad. Me queen never see where man go on camera live video. You go they curse in mother-in-law, where bring your wife come abroad. You know they. Now only women you see say their mother-in-law will bring their husband come abroad, though they fight them. So I not content the right. Now hallucination they do. You don't want make people come to support you. What till you don't achieve? They know if you boy, mona hear what in best side they talk. Mona come listing. Make a they plan area na my pikin the fucker. Now they do this one. Oh devil ne they not tie. Because amen we tame the day also the day na we tama we occupy like come all the area work boy. You know if they cause elderly woman make it quiet. Your own waste of head won't finish for Nigeria. All when only guy if you see a gene in big guy who were ever get go gear. I not blame you now. Because your mother-in-law, you know the whole on land this. Thank you, mommy. God bless you, mommy. Your mother-in-law, you know the whole on land this. Oh, now make una they see all these people finish. Me una go, una don't hear where Benjamin talking that they say he not pass driver license. Yeah, we talking Benjamin. I beg una show me love. Not be big of these people. Not be big of these people. Aki are Aviana. Aviana ave Cotonou children in view idea we bona mistakenly. As that Aki are in. Guys, please show me love, please. God bless you guys. Huh? Una no yera. I been in my mouth one for yera mommy Benny. Benjamin talk that day before yesterday, day before yesterday. Benjamin say, if papa no fear pass, do driver license. Mama, if you agree me make a enter inside washing machine. Make machine yours day. Make machine, make a you enter inside my washing machine. Because waiting my ear don't the year for this media. I go they ask say now you might be the talk I be na AI they talk inside of them. Benjamin say papa no help do driver license. Oh Cassie J. Now everything una mama and papa go do for una. Benjamin, he say papa no help do driver license. Now I just them Bahamu say precious I beg. Pour me water. Precious pour me Rita success. He said Benjamin so entitled. See. Not be with the toxins. He said papa no help do driver license. Now I say, a driver license, you will be man. Your papa na go carry you come abroad. Vera way they say you don't carry picky come abroad. Benjamin Vera leave 8 children for Nigeria. He not carry your children come abroad though. He said Benjamin papa no come abroad. He papa no carry come abroad. If they go beg their father-in-law, if they go kneel down and beg that Papa, I just want you to tell us a bit of your story. How you get to your stage where you get passports. What happened the time when you come abroad? What did they happen then? Oh, my auntie wait they Jamie for you. No beg. My in-law make that man live long. My auntie, her husband, every day I pray for her husband. He good, may you make you get a very good in-law among your family. That my auntie husband, he go sit me, he go they tell me story of many years ago wetin happen for Europe, even though I know 70% already. You go tell me say all of us when a passport holder, we started from somewhere. We chop aduro. E no easy o. Una time things easy that they give una money. Our time money no day. They call black monkey then. E go they tell us, they tell me, go say, don't let anybody intimidate you. My in-law, everybody started for somewhere, like trying to do throwback for me. If Vera go and meet his father-in-law and beg, say, Papa, I want me you talk, I want to know story of back then, how Europe be. I swear to God who made me with my 2 kidney. If Benjamin Papa talk to Vera, Vera go they pack people, make they come go apologize to that man. Entitlement where they worry you, Vera. If you know what happened for many years ago, it was like a slave trade. It was like a slave trade. If you even see all those papa guy with passport holder, you don't see passport holder of many century. They give him a paper for them to give him for Germany, not be Italy at the top. For Germany, for all these Dutch country, Sweden, Germany, you know no country when they talk Austria. Their passport now their life. Before they share their document with person, you know say that woman is very loyal and dedicated to them. When you dey fear entitlement, your father-in-law not carry Benjamin come Europe. The idiot and stupid Benjamin say he papa not do driver license for him. Now they water all this coconut brain because una it be like say na late.
Don't worry. I'll look for the.
If it's a dark color, like
It be like say na late.
This also, I don't come up.
Mommy, I mute you, mommy.
See, sorry.
Mommy, mute you. I mute you. I know, mommy. I know say that mistake. I mute you, mommy. I mute you. No stress. It be like say this because we dey here, this Africa Jama because it be like say na late 2010. 2010. Ijo da from where ga jasen when. Umi man no say we. You don't know the pain that woman is having. For a mother to leave the children for our own mother to come Europe, come suffer. You not waiting. When Baba Onoviere me, do you know a day story where in children not even know because she was not Omarogwa? In my story, for a woman to leave children to come to Europe many years ago. When we come word of Masianto, all the legbo, all the vision mo, nyaya simio say ni they tell a dederi wu because I ni a flighty. They talk we there. We are menene ka do adumuna. Una too they feel so privileged and entitlement. It is in your responsibility. Ignore, not the interfere for your husband and the mama. Or when you not get the rights. I remember my year that I was seeing on my dad for Europe for year when year they abroad. We gonna get down like this. In daughter-in-law, as in his son wife. My year that time, and no see me as in she can't stay for Europe. Not be saying now the kind of Mama Kelvin life like thank you, Lady J. She lost her husband years ago. All up by year, don't always know my dad. Every day they talking. All our children there for Europe, both America, Canada, the whole world. So as they come, as they visit from country to country. My year there Germany, when me new come Germany, we were having family issue. My brother wife there for phone call like this. I overheard her. Like somebody call and say, "Are they hear noise for that?" You know what my brother talk? My brother wife talk. The respect when I get for my brother wife till tomorrow. I haven't tell her what me they talk for social media. So when me and my ear they get conversation, in friend they ask and say, what did they happen for there? He said, na mama and pikin no, he no fit talk put oh. If we don't tire, we go rest. He no fit talk put. That is the respect I have for my cousin brother's wife. Because he knows say na family matter with the debate. He no come put mat because we feel use and take settle. Blood is thicker than water. Go and ask anybody. Our mommy no again guanju. I overheard her when she spoke. Our mommy no again guanju in where cook babanire again guanji. That is omonuenwe omoniya koko seno. Me queen way the toast, so I not get right. Maybe my partner and the family or mama the quarrel, you go chook your head from inside. They go use you to play basketball, especially if na family will be say they rugged. Because before you came into that family has been existing. Go and ask question. Una way be goat this Africa because with Vera Oswald why vacuum why men why and then they be tie anybody no be that for online in no matter what he support to what because of this be una still want me they see defend una. Then when they won't you will still use all your life to protect your daughter. Make it not go bring a miserable person come the family. Now so your son, your husband beat to him mama is the only son of this woman. Only son of this woman. That is the pain of this woman. Anybody that is saying that what I'm saying is not right, if you know they beat your mama, now they are going for kill you. Why not do a online? Where man did you wear it or go online? Where don't we bug you wear? Una am bug bijema. And we not do what say why ya sir. Mene queen your tie. Anybody no give do jema with social media. Do a molesi jema. Or go where ya don't like this in your would you here? And we not do what say why ya sir. Because when you go bad doba, it don't go dovien. Your life is that solo show working or could not pay madam no kag big agane. It's just that for when we not be happy with or money emula we be do or could not balance. It is their mentality then. A common sense, you know. Mama need their father, mama need their priest, mama need don't have to translate or interpret it for. It's just a common sense. I mean, I will never. I mean, no sunu vegoga no. That is AEJ. This is the day they look your una issue. If she was expecting either of ye on mebo or man no J school and no say lawyer. It can be my J school. Where go when you wear your talk. AEJ Mako can say, are you training at school? If you go ma train Kelvin, even though say na Kelvin grandma train mo, na papa pay school fees so ma can wear. You were not in the picture, you were not in the family. You are an intruder. Oh, we don't make Kelvin on us go. Mona leave all these women. What's if you're there, eh? Egeluna, there was a man more dollar like be a dear webo. I said, eh? What's a man more dollar Nigeria day? I've seen go more than of Fuera Vurina. Iya mi yodo agbe. Thank you, Mama. I've seen go more than of Europe na. Iya mi yodo. Ubi yodo normal left away. I ain't we not use yodo for when I'm away. They take Kevin left away. Where make a yam webo bije. Why make a ya silly yodo from where to way. Moreover, oye mose. You have a beautiful young mother-in-law. No young is a way muwe. Uye baze no deva meka. Opono e fita. Uje na obiangeli ekwemugwe umi jodo no mose that is jodo from where all mu gbigai o mana kaya kemi ekyoka ekuse ekenenemi emi ba unu we gwa ave do rigone gwa do dupon yo ekun you for not a bully your mother-in-law no na berewe na guma we okwo no gaya yo no okwo na ya metin ayo a passport to that way to do guma okwo no ma beyema oh, the for where oh video back home man no be or ma bien ne bono me no na do atie me be no tie ba de look out tie no sungu vagbon okwo no see me o sege ne mo were you in the family where na ya kokekevi were you there every kabi tamawe wo me mo bia na e sharu agara gbon be de na o ba me o so audio visual like 650 e ku wa gun wa de egun waju a useless son in a family background of honor mujemu genoge honor mu secret je then je ya we kia wish mana na koko se me do ke rubbish ni ibia mo bo won wage Benjamin na where am driver license ne wa no me de eroma or we go a parents of my driver license no ma be webo e si me mu mere ni magbaje yo mu me e bali oge me yala webo okay be ye webo ne e jemi o first country me Memaka dunu bonokive Italy. Oni wogene. Mori ede ihia gu Italy or I want to maneuver. It be like person don't teach you how to fish. Now the person go the help you see they carry you go market. You not go also for yourself. Entitlement belugwa. Nonsense. Emi yo wada figure abawe eme o omari kunko me iya do eme amade na momo. Emi no ma ge baba sagbada we ya wogwenu we no jie. Well, ya wenu give no even no chie. Many years ago. Go and look at their story. Do you know what they passed through? When me nave yo ni sajin o me. Do you know? Iye kevi ma omamwe gesire na wa be time be media. They thought they do a kio ni san wa be time. Amo mo no bully joda fun. Yage no banoro o ti agbono ge ni. Beni je ya we kia e ona tale ya manoge. Enoge no tale emi je ma o ma beni je no ge ya. Beni bia on sa ya mu egwegwe. E no good. Emi no magba. Wa ge egbono ge emi o gara gbon be de na. He brainwashing sister to make his sister to hate him mama. Just for your selfish reason. Emi be a privilege you have entitlement to wa. It's too much. Okay, na agu wa gwa na correct wa. Devi afian we no